crayon red, coloring apples and roses, I said. Bright like love and bold like fire, I'm full of joy and never tire. We're the crayons, color so bright, painting the world with pure delight. Pick us up and you will see a rainbow world of fun and glee. Hi there, I'm crayon blue, I paint the sky and the ocean too. Cool and calm like a gentle breeze, I color waves and twinkling seas. Yippee! I'm crayon yellow, sunny and happy, a jolly fellow. I color stars and smiley faces, bringing joy to all the places. Guess who I am? Crayon green, leaves and grass, I'm always seen. Fresh and cool like a garden bright, coloring trees in the morning light. Howdy, I'm crayon orange bold, pumpkins, carrots, marigold. I shine so bright in autumn days with glowing, giggly, golden rays. Hello, I'm crayon purple sweet, royal magic and super neat. I color grapes and twilight skies with dreamy stars and sleepy eyes. We're the crayons, one big team, coloring every child's dream. So come and draw, come and play with crayon friends every day.
Please subscribe to the channel